Hey guys, this is back with another video. So guys, here my son and Jade. So we are traveling to Nassau, but we are on the Greyhound bus going to Orlando. So this is going to be a long 8-hour trip, but stay tuned for the entire trip. Want to say something, Jay? You want to say anything? Oh, okay. That's what he want to say. So we will be back with more videos. So guys, we are in Tiffin, Georgia. This is our last stop to get to Orlando. So I'm drinking this French vanilla cappuccino. So yeah, and I've been sleeping so y'all could see. But I will be back showing you the rest of this long journey with me. So stay tuned. Daddy, say hi, Daddy. So guys, Orlando airport was a mess, a horrible mess, but we are waiting for our boarding time, so that's what we are waiting on now. But other than that, we just had to rush in here because that line for security check and everything like that was a mess. But other than that, we're still on time and everything like that. But listen, I am a hot mess, y'all. This was a long journey of traveling courses. But yep. See y'all in the airplane. So guys, we are already on the plane. Hey Jay. We're on the plane, you know. So we are officially heading to Nassau.
Be on the plane, okay?
So and this is my baby first time. Hey, hey.
God, no. You see when we said around the airport and security checkpoint line, right? Guess what line was? The full spot.
I'm supposed to pop in.
Boy, Jay, give us privilege though.
Boy, but us please, because we want a safe flight, and we are having faith that we will have a safe flight. So I will see you back in Nassau. But I should have vlogged that line to get the security and everything like that. I should have vlogged it, but listen, we have an early morning flight, and this is the only thing right now. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for Nassau, you know. Jay, gang. Y'all, I'm so happy for my baby. He finally got his passport in one day, and he's flying, you know. To let go. Y'all, I don't know nobody around, but anyways, y'all, see y'all in Nassau. Bye. Put my foot in the air, boy. No way. It's over. Oh my God.
now your life just be